cheer. All the colors are right here. Red is the color of apple, so bright. Paint it high, paint it right. Red is love, warm and true. Let's splash red, me and you. Orange is juicy and full of delight, like the setting sun at night. Paint a fox, paint a flame. Orange is fun, it's never the same. Yellow shines like the bright warm sun. It makes us laugh and have some fun. Paint a star, paint a smile. Let yellow shine for a while. Green is grass and leafy trees, dancing gently in the breeze. Paint a fog or a garden gate. Green is calm and truly great. Blue is the sky and ocean deep. It's the color of dreams and peaceful sleep. Paint a whale, paint the rain. Blue can wash away the pain. Purple is magical, soft and grand, like fairy wings and wizard wands in hand. Paint the night, paint a crown. Purple lifts us when we're down. Now the rainbow's here, hooray! All the colors come out to play. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Add some purple just for you. Paint the world with joy and cheer. Rainbow magic is always near. Hold your brush and sing along. Color your world with a rainbow song.